Easy oven-baked ribs and the only seasoning you need. That Memphis Bussin' Barbecue Rub. First, remove the membrane from the back of the ribs. Clean up your ribs, any excess fat, cut it off. Throw down some yellow mustard as a binder, and then for that flavor, we're coming with that Memphis Bussin' Barbecue Rub. Get it at UncleDibbz.com. Rub that seasoning in, flip it over, and do the exact same thing to the other side. If you don't have a smoker or a grill, you're gonna love the way these turn out. Make sure you hit the edges with any of that seasoning that fell off. Throw this in the oven at 350 for 1 hour. When the hour is almost up, grab some heavy-duty foil, line it with some butter, barbecue sauce, and some more of that Bussin' Barbecue Rub. Add a half a cup of apple cider vinegar, lay the ribs in top side down, cover, and put back in the oven for 1 more hour. Once those bones start poking, you know you're done. Even if you don't have a grill, you can still eat good, shawty. That's good, shawty.